Welcome to dinCloud. This video will show you how to place an order for a Windows server using dinManage portal. To start the process, you need to click on the Add Resource link given in the side menu. You will see a page that shows the hosted desktop. Click on the Din Server Windows category. The page shows you a variety of servers such as 2019, 2016, and 2012. Select your preferred Windows server by clicking it. On this page, you can add the machine name. It is optional and can be added later. The machine category and operating system are also shown here. You can also select your order summary. Click on the next button to proceed. Here, you can update your server configurations. Currently, your server has a basic configuration. As per your needs, you can add additional resources such as CPU, memory, or disk. Once you are satisfied with the configurations, click on the next button. Here, first of all, set up a password for your machine. Then, select your preferred data center from the drop-down. Then, enter your domain name. Now, add your network details by entering a valid IP address. As you add a network, the security firewall is also added. If you have already added a network, the drop-down shows your previously configured network. In this case, just select your preferred network. Lastly, select your preferred time zone from the drop-down and click Next. The last page asks you to specify the required software. After selecting the available software, click the Creation Machine button. A confirmation message is shown to you. As the machine is ready for use, you will be notified via email. In this video, we just showed you how to order a Windows server. Feel free to contact our support team for further assistance.